Hello, today I'm going to give a presentation about the retrospective of the Sprint 2 of what that basically deals with what I have done, what have the teams have done in the Sprint 2, and like who are the clients, who are the stakeholders, and what our project actually deals with in the Sprint 2. And this sprint 2 it is called about the task functionality and conductivity applet, where this project is deals with the showing the charts about the conductivity, depth, temperature, and salinity of the task functionality. But in this presentation it basically this the sprint 2, since our project we have divided into three sprints. Sprint 1 which is already completed by the 4th of September, and but this sprint 2 it started on the 4th of September, and it deals with the showing of the charts in this presentation, and dealing with the important stakeholders like Dirk Hedford is the client of our project, and he gives us some suggestions and how actually he wants the product. And Ansar Kumar Shrestha, he is the supervisor of the project, and he's helping, he's being supervisor, and he's helping us in many terms, giving some suggestions how to extract the data, how to progress the projects. And Razi Parazuli is a team member who basically deals with the back end of the project, whereas Gaurav Kumar he deals with the front end of the project, and me myself and Sarad Manda we help in testing, documentation, and other aspects of the projects. And this sprint 2 duration it started from the 4th of September, and it is completed on the 24th of September 2020, and it was basically of 21 days. And this one is the statement of contribution. Here Raji Parazili, Gaurav Kumar, me, myself, and Sarad Malla, we have divided it in separate tasks to each others, and how much hours they have worked, how much hours they have dedicated to the projects. And this one is a sprint to backlog. In the sprint to backlog, we have separated a few of the user stories, and then divided the tasks and estimates of the user stories, and also some of the condition of satisfaction, how user stories will be completed. And some of the and this one is also the user sprint to backlogs, and the tasks are divided. And this one is the evidence of the work, the since we are working on since we are working on the master's project, the work is divided into is on we are four people, and the work is divided into four of the people different, and tasks are divided to different peoples. And this Kanban flow shows us the team members working on the different tasks, and lessons learned in sprint 2. And in this sprint 2 I have learned a bit different lessons than the sprint 1. Actually, although the planning and team coordination is the same lessons that I have learned in the sprint 1, however the interaction with the Django web framework, the importance of the SQLite in the database management, and is what I have learned the new lessons in this sprint 2. And also the coding in Python. I'm also learning some of the few codes in the Pythons. And since I'm also doing the documentation part, I've also learned how to do the documentation project like this, like Tasman Salinity. And this one is some of the work that I have done. I have written the incoming product backlogs, and separated among the priority and the status, whether it is completed or whether it is still pending or in progress. And all the 18 user stories are divided. I've divided all the 18 user stories into these conditions of satisfaction, their priority, and the status. And I've also one of the major aspects that I've also done in this sprint 2 is the backlogs. I've written the sprint 2 backlogs, and then I've studied about the user stories and what is the main focus of our tasks in this sprint 2, and what is their conditions and unsatisfaction, and how to divide the tasks, and how to divide in between different people. I've done it, and this is the end of the presentation, and I want to thank you everyone. Thank you.